Okay, question 3. Find the lengths of the side mark X in each of these triangles. Okay, I have this angle here. See the angle 29 degrees. Everybody happy with that? See it? Yeah? Now, I'm going to do this question 2 ways just to show you can do it 2 different ways, right? Here's the first way. Compared to the 29, what side is X? Opposite. And what side is 6? Adjacent. Opposite over adjacent. What function is that? Tan. Tan 29 equals X over 6. Cross multiply up to 6. X equals 6 tan 29. What's 6 tan 29? 3.33. 1 decimal place, 3.3. Okay, go and show you another way doing it. If this angle here is 29, what does it make this angle up here? Anybody at all?
90
minus 29, which is? Let's go for 51. Okay? Now guys, in this angle here, what is the number 6?
61.
Sorry, 61. Sorry guys, in this angle here, what angle is opposite 61? Oh, I just said the word. What side is the number 6?
The opposite.
Opposite. And what side is X?
Adjacent.
Adjacent, right? So X is equal to adjacent this time, and the 6 is the opposite. Now what about this guys? Tan what? Tan, which tan am I using this time? 61. Tan 61 equals opposites over adjacent. Now look at this guys. What's the answer I should get? 3.3. Cross multiply up the X and we get X tan 61 equals 6. Am I allowed to move the tan down on its own? The answer is no. The tan and the 61 are stuck together. They are the one thing. Do you understand? So what we're doing here is we're going to say X equals 6 over tan 61. Now what happens then? Put that into your calculator and tell me what you get. So it's the same answer, isn't it? It didn't actually matter which way I did it. Okay? Show you another one. Let's have a look at number 3 part 3. Okay guys, 3 part 3. It's tan again. Okay? Guys, if I'm using the angle 34, what's the opposite and what's the adjacent?
Is X. Adjacent is 20.
So tan 34 equals opposite over adjacent, which is X over 20. What's X equal to then? 20 tan 34, which gets me anybody? 13.49, 13.5. Everybody happy with this so far? Okay, moving on. Number 8. By finding the values of X and Y correct to the nearest whole number, find the values in the given triangle. Okay guys, how many triangles are in this diagram? Anybody? 3. Always remember there's 3. Now here's one of them here. It's not quite it. There's one. Here's the other one. Separate it out, okay? Now look at this. In the first triangle, this is 62 degrees, this is here, this is 8, this is X. What's X stand for, guys? What does X stand for? Which one is X? Opposite, hypotenuse, adjacent?
Opposite.
It's opposite to 62. And 8 is adjacent. Tan 62 equals 8, X over 8. X therefore is 8 tan 62. What's 8 tan 62? 15.05. Okay guys. Now, we now know that X is 15.05. Let's look at the right triangle. How do we figure out what Y is? Can anybody tell me? What's opposite 37?
15.
What's adjacent to it? Y. So tan 37 equals 15.05 divided by Y. Now what's Y equal to? How do we do this? The Y comes up. Y tan 37 equals 15.05. Bring the tan 37 underneath, and what do we get now? 15.05 divided by tan 37? 19.97, or Y equals 20.